Hello everyone, happy new year. This is De'Belle Makeovers in case you are stopping by for the first time. Today's look is a super clean makeup with this popping under eye, and I achieved this look using all BlackUp products. BlackUp Paris is a high-end luxury makeup brand for women of color. It is specially formulated for our skin. It has the yummiest of undertones. I especially love how pigmented their products are. I'm going to list all the products I used in the description box. Make sure you check them out. I listed them with their shades. And if you would like to get BlackUp Paris, they are available at every Essenza store in Nigeria. So you can check them out and copy yours.
We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I can't find the words to keep you, but I don't think I want to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Tuesday, I'm all alone, but then you called my phone. You said, baby, I'm sorry, I'm on the road. I don't wanna hold you back, but I know that you're coming home. I know that you're coming home. I can't find the words to keep you, but I know I don't have to, 'cause we're living it up for love, living it up for love. Just keep living it up for love, living it up for love. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Whatever is good for you, I'm good with it, I'm good with it, I'm good with it. Just take my heart and get carried away, get carried away. We say our goodbyes and light up like fireflies, 'cause there's so many things left to explore. I don't wanna hold you back. Your heart is safe with mine, and I